Hello everyone, today we have looked best airsoft pistol on the market. Want to know the best most high quality airsoft pistol on the market? Airsoft is a blast and has grown quickly as both a fun hobby and competitive sport over the past several years. Sometimes with airsoft gun you only as good as your sidearm. The moment when your main weapon run out of ammo is make or break, and knowing you got a reliable airsoft pistol in your belt and can you support your need to get the win. With so many choices available on today market, choosing the best airsoft pistol for you can be both time consuming and frustrating. We have a compiled a list of the best airsoft handguns along with their specification and description to help you choose the perfect one to suit your needs.
A revolutionary yet practical concept, the Walther PPS M2 Airsoft, delivering an exact 6mm airsoft replica of the premier concealed carry option. It's capable of withstanding anything thrown its way. The PPS M2 Airsoft pistol by Umarex and offered by Elite Force Airsoft is powered by one 12-gram CO2 cartridge that loads into the grip, along with a 15-round stick magazine. Engineers have incorporated a tool for puncturing the CO2 cartridge into the magazine, so it's always there when you need it. The Walther PPS M2 Airsoft pistol features a blowback slide that locks when the magazine is empty, mimicking the 9mm centerfire Big Brother. Featuring all the exterior markings and textures of the original, the PPS M2 is perfect for airsoft enthusiasts and loyal Walther fans to practice without having to drive to the range.
P9T pistol kit from Crosman. It's a spring-powered single-shot airsoft pistol kit that fires 6mm airsoft BBs up to 275 feet per second. The pistol features a 15-round magazine, rear and front open sights. The kit includes a soft Cordura holster and a Velcro thumb brake, plus a trial pack of 12-gram airsoft BBs. The pistol is also available in other color combinations. Take it outside with the Stinger P9T pistol kit from Crosman.
Hey everyone, today I have the HK P30. I really like the hard case. It's really nice for transporting it. So here's what it looks like. It comes with 2 rotary mags for pellets. It has this mag, which is where your CO2 is, and it also holds BBs right here. I'll tell you more about that in a minute. It has a very nice medium grip. The grip texture is nice. It's not too aggressive, so it doesn't hurt, and that's always a plus. On the front of the trigger guard, it's textured right here, so if you have big enough hands, if you want to loop that finger around, I know lots of people that do that, and so this is really nice. The trigger itself also has a couple lines on it to make sure your finger doesn't slip if it's hot and you get a little sweaty, and so that's really nice as well. And then next up here we have the accessory rail, so you can put your flashlight on it, your laser, or even a weight actually if you wanted to make it weigh more, but the weight with this metal slide in the mag, that is pretty nice. It feels really good, it's a nice balance. to load this mag, you pull down the follower. It's already loaded currently. And you just hold it right here. And then you take the speed loader and you just push that and it shoots little BBs into the mag. It's so much nicer than having to hold this back and do one BB at a time. I've done that before. This thing is like amazing. So definitely get one of those if you do not have one yet. Like I said earlier, to load this rotary mag, you would put a pellet in it, and then you use the pellet seater and you push it down all the way, and then it's perfect. Something you need to think about though is don't use a pointed pellet, because you don't want it to stick out past this flat surface right here and make the gun jam. That's not gonna be good. But you can do the domed or the flat, so that's really nice. If you want to shoot pellets now, all you gotta do is open that, take out your little adapter, and put this rotary mag in. Make sure the gear's towards the back. Just line it up, and ta-da. And then you already have your mag with the CO2 in there. You just lock your follower with that little button, put it back, and it's all good. The barrel's actually rifled, so that'll help your pellets be a little more accurate. So this is the HK-P30. To find more, you can go to umarexusa.com, or you can use their Find a Dealer, and you can see if there's any close to you. I hope you enjoyed this, and this is a great one to add to your collection.
The C11 Tactical Pistol from Crosman. It's a CO2-powered air pistol that shoots copperhead BBs. The air pistol combines handheld comfort with quality components at an affordable price. A quad rail system for mounting your favorite optic. A removable grip for easy CO2 replacement. A 20-shot quick-release magazine. The pistol also includes a mock compensator and a Crosman laser. It's great for backyard target shooting and plinking. Take it outside with a Crosman Tactical C11 pistol.
The USP. The HK model designated as Universal Self-Loading Pistol was formally introduced in 1993. Now, owners and admirers of this quality handgun can practice with genuine form without burning money on ammo. This is the HK USP chambered for .177 caliber steel BBs and powered by a 12-gram CO2 capsule. A replica in every sense, this USP model incorporates a blowback system, a complex valve that allows the flow of air to propel the BB at 325 feet per second while simultaneously causing the all-metal slide to kick back, a feature that any action pistol shooter will appreciate.
The authenticity of the HK USP air pistol evolves around every aspect of this spectacular replica. From the texturing of the tough polymer frame to the functioning controls of the slide release, the safety, the magazine release, and the decocking mechanism to its fast target acquisition 3-dot sights. Its magazine replicates the size and weight of a loaded mag and drops completely free of the grip, making this an ideal pistol for reloading drills. Get a grip on a full-size semi-auto action. Ask and search for the HK USP Blowback air pistol at your favorite retailer.